Okay, this is lesson 1.5. Here's your definition for distributive property. You multiply the number on the outside of the parentheses to everything on the inside of the parentheses. Pretty simple. You've been doing distributive property for a while. You should know this. Number on the outside. This is the number on the outside. How do I know this is the outside number? There's no sign between that number and the parentheses. Hopefully they have one. I don't think they do. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Because this one you guys did 10. Oh, that's an ugly 2. 10 plus 2 times, I don't know what it was, 2x minus 4. Okay, look. Some of you were combining 10 and 2 and making this 12. No, 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 no. The 2 is the number next to the parentheses. You cannot add before you multiply. PEMDAS. You have to distribute the 2. 10 plus 4x minus 8. 4x plus 2 would be your answer here, okay? There's no equal sign. You can't tell me what x equals here. If you don't see an equal sign, the only thing you can do is simplify. Okay. Okay, so I have to distribute the 5 to both numbers. Have to distribute the 5 to both numbers. 10x minus 20 is less than 50. 10x is less than 70. I did not multiply or divide by a negative, so I don't flip the inequality. X is less than 7. Yes, I am skipping steps now because you should be that good at solving. If you're not, you need to practice. You need to come in. I'm going to distribute that 2, or negative 2. 15 equals negative 6x plus 24. So now I'm going to subtract 24 to both sides. That leaves me negative 6x equals negative 9. The number next to your letter goes on bottom of your fraction. So I divide both sides by negative 6. That becomes 1. This 9 over 6 becomes 3 over 2. Negative over negative is a positive. It's a positive 3 over 2. Right here, this is a negative 1. I have to distribute a negative 1. Negative 5x plus 10 equals 60. And then you can solve from there. Negative 5x equals 50. X equals negative 5. Same thing here. If you don't see a number, there's a negative 1. 16 is less than negative 1x plus 6. 10 is less than negative 1x. Now, because that's a negative 1x, I have to divide both sides by negative 1. Negative 10 is greater than x. I had to flip my inequality because I divided by a negative. Okay.